In the rarefied world of high fashion, some materials speak before you ever do. A crocodile Birkin, a python Capucines, an ostrich Kelly. These are not just accessories, they are quiet statements. Their texture, their depth, their unmistakable presence conveys a kind of elegance that words can't really capture. Exotic leather whispers, never shouts. It doesn't rely on logos or excess. It simply says, I am rare, I am crafted, I am lasting. For decades, houses like Hermes, Louis Vuitton, and Celine have treated exotic leathers as the crown jewels of their ateliers. They are, honestly, the ultimate expression of craft and rarity, a dialogue between nature's most distinctive materials and the world's finest artisans. A crocodile Birkin, for instance, can exceed 6 figures not only because of the brand's heritage, but because of the skin itself. Each scale, each pattern, a natural fingerprint. In the vocabulary of luxury, cowhide is language, exotic leather is poetry. Yet beneath this beauty lies a story that is intricate, global, and deeply rooted in tradition. One where craftsmanship, regulation, and responsibility intersect. This is not a story of controversy, but of context. Of understanding how a centuries-old art continues to evolve in a modern world. What sets exotic skins apart isn't just texture, it's personality. Every crocodile, python, or ostrich hide is unique. The distinctive V-shaped patterning of a crocodile's back, the broad reflective scales of a python, the elegant dotted quill marks of an ostrich. These details are nature's own design language. They can't be replicated, only revealed. Collectors understand this. The exotic skin editions of classic designs often fetch multiples of their standard leather counterparts. At auction, an ostrich skin Birkin or a crocodile Kelly can command record prices. It isn't merely about fashion. It's about owning something singular, something that embodies time, rarity, and craftsmanship in its purest form. To carry such a piece is to participate in a lineage of artistry. It is, honestly, stealth luxury at its finest. Understated, yet unmistakably exclusive. Behind every exotic skin bag is a journey of extraordinary skill. From sourcing to tanning to stitching, each stage demands precision. The hides must be prepared delicately, dyed evenly, and cut with near scientific attention to symmetry. One misaligned scale, one imperceptible nick, and the entire hide is unusable. The artisans who work on these skins often spend decades perfecting their touch. At Hermes, only the most senior craftspeople handle exotic leathers, ensuring that each bag maintains balance and grace. Every scale's placement is deliberate. Every stitch honors the material's natural pattern. This level of mastery is why these creations are so costly, not only in price, but in time. A single crocodile skin bag can take days, even weeks, to complete. And that devotion to excellence is what keeps the tradition alive. Exotic leather has long stood as a symbol of achievement, but its story is equally one of heritage and innovation. While some brands, such as Chanel and Burberry, have phased out exotic skins in recent years, others continue to invest in responsible sourcing and certified farming. Regulations like CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, ensure that every skin used in legitimate luxury production is traceable and legally obtained. In places like Australia, Southeast Asia, and parts of Africa, regulated farms not only support local economies, but also aid conservation efforts by maintaining sustainable populations of species like crocodiles and pythons. When handled responsibly, exotic skin production becomes part of a broader ecological balance, one that connects heritage craftsmanship to community livelihood. It's a reminder that luxury at its best is not wasteful, but reverent, of materials, of process, of nature itself. You know, the appeal of exotic leather isn't really about extravagance, it's about distinction. In a world just saturated with logos and mass production, rarity feels personal again. To own an exotic skin bag today is to choose craftsmanship over convenience, subtlety over spectacle. But status in 2025 is evolving. Modern collectors don't just ask how it looks, they ask where it came from. Transparency and provenance have become part of the value. A luxury piece now carries meaning not just in its price tag, but in its ethics, in the trust that what you hold was crafted responsibly and beautifully. To truly honor these remarkable materials, care is everything. Exotic skins, though durable, really demand respect and attention. Avoid humidity and direct sunlight. Store your bag in its dust cover, away from heat and moisture, as reptile skins can dry or warp over time. Hydrate, don't polish. Use a specialized exotic leather conditioner, never regular creams or oils, to maintain suppleness without clogging the scales. Handle with clean hands. The natural oils from skin can alter texture and tone. And if scratches or dryness appear, always rely on an experienced exotic leather specialist. These are not throwaway items. They are heirlooms in progress. With care, they age gracefully, acquiring a patina that tells your story alongside their own. The conversation around exotic leather is changing, not fading, but maturing. Today's luxury consumer values artistry and integrity in equal measure. This has inspired both innovation and reflection within fashion's top houses. Some experiment with lab-grown materials or responsibly sourced alternatives. Others double down on transparency and traceability, proving that exotic craftsmanship can coexist with modern ethics. The result isn't a divide, but an evolution. The heart of luxury remains excellence, rarity, emotional connection, but the path to achieving it is broadening. Exotic leathers now live in dialogue with sustainability, with craftsmanship as the bridge between past and future. For collectors and admirers alike, an exotic skin bag is more than a purchase. It's a connection to the rare, to the human hand that shaped it, to the artistry of slow creation in a fast-moving world. Every scale, every seam, holds a story. Not of excess, but of dedication. To hold such a piece is to hold time itself, the patience of the artisan, the heritage of the house, and the quiet grace of a craft that endures. These bags are not defined by trend, but by permanence. Their beauty doesn't fade with the season, it deepens with age. Perhaps that's the truest meaning of luxury, not what it costs, but what it carries. A crocodile or python skin bag isn't simply an emblem of wealth. It's a testament to centuries of craftsmanship, an appreciation for natural artistry, and a symbol of continuity in an ever-changing world. Luxury today asks us to look deeper, not only at the item, but at the intention behind it. To own an exotic piece is to become part of a legacy of artistry that bridges nature and culture, heritage and modernity. So, when that glimmer of polished scale catches the boutique light, it's more than a signal of status. It's a tribute to skill, to stewardship, to the enduring allure of craftsmanship itself. Because the true luxury of exotic leather isn't in what it says about you. It's in what it teaches you. Patience, care, and respect for what is rare. If this gave you a new way to see what lies beneath the sheen of luxury, share it with someone who understands that true elegance is never loud, it's learned. Subscribe for more explorations into the worlds where artistry, heritage, and modern taste converge. Because fashion evolves, but craftsmanship, when done with heart, remains timeless.